How to unblock a text message on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the messages application on your device and then tap on the start chat option over here and then select any of the random numbers that you want to unblock. But first of all, we have to block them. So tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen and then tap on block and report spam. So tap on it and then tap on yes. So now you have already blocked this person. So what you've got to do in order to unblock this is you just have a tap on this profile icon at the top right corner. Then tap on spam and blocked. So tap on it and then here you'll be seeing all the spammed and blocked text messages on Android. So you just have to go to the person that you want to unblock. So go to that person's profile and then tap on the unblock option that pops up over here. So tap on unblock and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.